If Fotor keeps crashing on startup, freezing, or closing right after you open it, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Fotor working again without guessing. These methods cover the most common causes, including background processes, corrupted cache files, graphics conflicts, permission issues, VPN problems, and broken installs. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more fast software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, force close all Fotor processes. Sometimes Fotor is already running in the background even if you don't see the window open. That hidden process can lock app files and cause the program to crash the moment you try to launch it again. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC to open Task Manager. Look through the processes list and find anything related to Fotor. Click it once, then select End Task. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Option, and Escape to open the Force Quit menu. Select Fotor and click Force Quit. After that, try reopening the app and see if the issue is gone. If Fotor still keeps crashing, the next thing to do is clear or reset the local app cache. A corrupted cache can store broken workspace data, temporary rendering files, or settings that stop the app from loading properly. If you're using the Microsoft Store version on Windows, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Fotor, click the three dots, and choose Advanced Options. Try Repair first because it's the safest option and can fix minor problems without changing everything. If Fotor still crashes after that, click Reset to restore the app to default settings. If you installed the standard Windows version instead of the Store version, press Windows and R, then paste %local app data sent packages and hit Enter. Look for the Fotor folder or a folder with a name like everimagingcode.limited Fotor, depending on your version. Open the local cache folder and delete the files inside it. Don't worry, this usually removes temporary junk that can cause startup crashes. On Mac, open Finder, press Shift, Command and G, then paste VR's library caches and press Return. Find the Fotor folder, move it to the trash and empty the trash. Then reopen Fotor and test it again. Next, disable hardware acceleration or update your graphics drivers. Fotor relies on your GPU to render image filters, canvas effects, and parts of the interface. If your graphics driver is outdated or conflicting with the app, it can cause freezing, black screens, or instant crashes. On Windows, update your graphics card drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, depending on your hardware. If Fotor has a hardware acceleration setting inside the app or in your system graphics settings, try turning it off and relaunching the program. This step is especially important if the crash happens when loading edits, filters, or large images. Another fix is to run Fotor as an administrator on Windows, or check macOS security permissions if you're on a Mac. Sometimes the app needs extra permission to access files, save projects, or initialize properly. On Windows, right-click the Fotor shortcut and select Run as Administrator. If that works, the issue may be related to user permissions. On Mac, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security. Scroll down and look for any message saying macOS blocked Fotor from opening. If you see it, click Open anyway and try again. You should also disable any active VPNs or custom proxies. Fotor may crash during startup if it can't complete its first connection to the server. When the app opens, it often tries to authenticate your account and load cloud templates or online resources right away. If a VPN, proxy, or strict firewall interrupts that handshake, the app may fail before it fully loads. Disconnect the VPN, turn off any proxy settings you've enabled, and then relaunch Fotor to test whether the crash stops. If none of those fixes work, perform a clean reinstall. This is one of the best ways to fix broken application files or damaged program components. First, uninstall Fotor from your computer. On Windows, go to Settings, then Apps, and remove it from installed apps. On Mac, drag the app from Applications to the trash. After uninstalling, restart your computer to clear out any lingering background memory or locked files. Then download a fresh copy of Fotor directly from fotor.com/desktop. or reinstall it from the Microsoft Store if that's the version you use. A clean install often fixes issues that other methods can't. Now, if Fotor is still crashing after trying every step in this video, the problem may be tied to a specific file, account sync issue, or system-level conflict, but in most cases, one of these fixes will solve it quickly. The best order to try is this. Force close the app, clear the cache, update your graphics drivers, check permissions, disable VPNs, and then reinstall if needed. If this video helped you fix Fotor, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and app troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.